don't think any of us would have ever imagined ukwethula Bishop Nkambule as a widower. But this is the time now. Ukuthola amazwi avela kumfelwa kunjalo Bishop. Themba Hleda, please come read the message of tribute on behalf of Bishop Mpendolo Nkambule.
Thank you, program directors. A good morning to all. Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule, my beautiful wife and mother to our children. Today is a day I never thought would come. I just never imagined waking up without you by my side. Oh, my love. Zanele loved our children, Yolanda and Mawande, her nieces and nephews, Nonjabulo, Lindo, Andiswa, Amazwi, and Nolive, were all her children. Her sister Kitty was very dear to her. She loved them deeply. I was blessed to find real love. Zanele loved me. I felt it, and she showed it in many ways. She was beautiful inside and out. My best friend, my rock, my confidant, my #1 supporter. I was blessed to find true love. Zanele was a hard worker, a genius, a woman of excellence, a fighter and a prayer warrior. We traveled the world together. We laughed and had so much fun living our lives. We had a great life together. Thank you, my love, for loving me and never trying to change me. When I met Zanele, I told her I am a preacher of the gospel and will always be till my last day on earth. She embraced me as I was. She knew I am not for red carpets, cameras, and celebrity circles. She effortlessly associated, and she was okay with that. We supported each other in everything. We stayed between Eswatini and Durban. She knew I had deep love for my country and people, and she always supported me. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, friends and family. Thank you, South Africa, and the beautiful Kingdom of Eswatini for your love and support. Even when Zanele fell ill, she never lost her smile. She is still smiling at us. She fought graciously but courageous. Thank you, my love, for loving me and the children. We will be okay. We will keep your legacy alive. I will miss you for a lifetime, my love. Thank you, my love. Rest now, my darling. Rest in God's presence, my love. I will meet you in the glorious resurrection morning, my love. So hlangana engcungcutheleni yabangcwele, sithandwa sami. Fare thee well, my queen. Saze sathandana. Thank you.